If you put anything on the master page, it will show up all of the pages. I put some text in the footer field and I go on check page number 8. Now the footer is here. I want move it the text somewhere, but I cannot select it. Only the text frame is selected and moved. So I undo it. You can see the master page item in dotted line frames. If you hold Ctrl Shift and click once, now the master page items convert to page item and you can move anywhere and you can edit it. Double click on it. I delete the flowers. In the same way, I want to convert this object also. You can see the dotted line, it is the master page item. So I hold Ctrl Shift and click once. This item also convert to page item and I hold Shift key and select both of the item and press delete key in the keyboard to delete it. Now the items are gone. If you accidentally delete or convert the master page item, you can revert it. Go to pages panel menu and go to master pages. Here you can click remove all local overrides. Now the master page options applied again. All of the edited and converted items bring to that position. When comes to building structure of the document or books, master page is necessary, so you should familiar with them. Thank you for watching. I will meet you the next lesson.